Pionex is itself a crypto exchange, and what makes it unique is that it comes with 16 built-in ready-to-use trading bots for free. You don't need to pay a monthly subscription. You don't even need to deal with API keys. Just create an account, pick a bot like a Greed Trading Bot, DCA Bot, or Infinity Greed. Set your parameters and it runs automatically. This makes Pionex incredibly beginner friendly. You can start automating trades within minutes. It's also cost effective because you only pay standard trading fees, which are around 0.05%, much lower than many competitors. For traders who want automation without complexity, Pionex is hard to beat. Of course, there are trade-offs. Since it's an exchange with built-in bots, you are limited to trading only on Pionex. And while the bots are solid for common strategies, they don't offer the advanced customization, backtesting, or integration depth of 3 commas or trade ideas. But for most beginners and even many intermediate traders, Pionex provides a clean, effective way to get started with automated crypto trading without paying extra.